Morning, guys, morning. Welcome back to the channel, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. You wake up yet? I wake up and brush your teeth, wash your face, and put your, put your clothes on. Yeah, I get really ready for school this morning. So I'm going to open up today and go cook some food today and sell. Go open the food truck. So this how we'll get ready this morning, and we'll go drop her off at school first. We go have to set up our lunch. And we go have to fix up our lunch pan still. Because she have to carry home lunch every morning. Yeah, she not like the right now. I boil some peas. Yeah, I boil some peas with rice and peas today, because we go cook jerk chicken and rice and peas, rib tip and all them things today. And I food check, so we are set up really lunch. Yeah, she love our home lunch. She not really like the school lunch. Cause sometimes them give them, I believe what really them a do is them a do healthy food at the school. And she not like that. Alright, now you brush your teeth. Remember if you brush your teeth, wash your face. We go check on it. Me go come check on it, but me a pack up your lunch. Yes, so you pack up. She have to go to school 7:50, 7:55. If she reach school 8 o'clock, she late. Yeah, if she reach 8 o'clock, she late. So this is how she carry. Bottle of water. In this, them have a little pouch, so she can make her drinks. And then she bring this glass of a little snack, kid snack. Then she have this in there, carry, and then cheese with I think a pepperoni. And then you have, I think this are the thing for the pepperoni. It's like a pizza. Really? Really? Oh, you want this? You want the pizza roll in it too? You want this in there? Oh, see, she don't want this because she don't like bread. Yeah, she don't like bread, so the only time she eat bread is if it have peanut butter and jelly. So there goes our lunch. This is what she use as our lunch. This is our lunch carry kit. So the kids, I forget them Mr. Beans. Yeah, I think man, the thing now go up so good. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so she have our lunch ready. Normally if you find our bag. Really? What? Where's the bag? Where's the school bag? Where's the school bag? Yeah, so I'll get that ready. Come, we have 10 minutes. No, 5. I'll get that ready if you go to school. And all right. So Really? How come you have clothes in the bag? I'm not Saturday now. Almost. She go have a sleepover this Saturday at her brother's house, and she already pack her bag. If go her brother's house today, which is Wednesday, hear what she said. It's almost Saturday. kids, kids nowadays, man. She said it's almost Saturday, so she'll pack up already. Yeah, she love go to her brother's house. Cause when she go, them just play non-stop. That's what she love. Alright, brush your teeth, wash your face and come. Yeah guys, so we go find some. Right now I'm have to get some socks for her. Which is hard, because really, where you socks them there? Where is the socks them? She says she don't know. Alright, yeah, I mean she don't know still, so I'm gonna look see if none in your drawer. I'm gonna go have to find some. Okay, me find some. You finish brushing teeth? Yeah, wash face. Yeah, wipe face now. Alright, wipe your face. Remember, clean behind the ears. And wash first. Yeah, so you know you have to show them, take your time with them, show them everything, show them what going on. Help them. You know, because you know them young. And alright, sit down now, let me put on. What shoes you go wear? A PDA today? Eh? Oh. Music and what is it? Music and what? Music and guidance. Guidance. Oh, okay. Music and guidance is set today, so. Alright, hold a seat, let me put on your shoes. Okay. Come now. Hmm? Well, you have to take out the clothes because you have to use the bag to go to school. I remember, not because it's close to Saturday. It's not Saturday yet. All right, take out the bag and come. Well, because we have food in there. Yes, so now we'll drop her off at school, you know. All right, there's Raylan. Ready for school. Let's say ready for school. You know one thing? Yeah, so we go. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Yeah, so we'll drop her off at school. You know, and then the day go on well. She not our school a walking distance still, but you know she a young girl, so you know like she walk to school at all. Yeah, me rather take that time for bring her to school and then take that time to go pick her up back at school, you know. How you like school so far? You like schools? Yeah? What subject you do today? Somebody's shy. What subject? She said she don't remember at all. Yeah, man, she don't remember at all. But I think you said, what you call again? Maybe say I don't remember what she said. Yeah, she's telling me not too long, but we forgot already. Yeah, man, so. Go trot on to school. She's a fun person. Yeah, man, she likes fun. Enjoy herself. She have her own little channel where she build up. I don't remember what the name was. She's saying the cute stuff, you know. I'll go on fire. So far, so good, man. We still have your number. So we go give you a call, man. Come on and talk to you about something, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, I'm really. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Me, I'll check you. All right, blessings. School time. It's school time, girlie. All right, see you later on. Bye-bye, girlie. All right, pick you up at what time? 3 o'clock. All right, try down to school later on. No, you see. Love the kids them, man. I tell you. Yeah, man, love them bad. Take care of them now, cause one thing, she's still around. Yeah, man, she's still around, man. You have to take care of your kids them, you know. Because one thing, none of them never ask to come on this earth, yeah. You bring them on the earth, so you have to take care of the kids them. Yes, man, I love my kids them, man. So she, you know, me have she, and then me have 3 more young ones. 9, you know. Them live at Davenport. Yeah, them live far. Yeah, man, so right now, me drop her off at school and me go at the food truck right there now. I believe me out of charcoal too, so I think me go have a check on the charcoal. Yeah, man, me have to go buy a charcoal, so you don't know. Yes, my people, so me reach at the truck now and me go get started. Yeah, man, that's the food truck soon. Give a good look on the food truck. So right now this is inside my storage. Yeah, me have a fridge them over there, so igloos. So this is all my storage area. I store just about everything for the food business. Yeah, so we go get this grill light. Yeah, man, that's the first thing we do every morning when we come. Yeah, we get the grill light, put on some chicken, ribs, or whatsoever me go cook on the grill. Yeah, me I try to get me. Yeah, so that's how we do every morning. Yeah, so yeah, man, so now we get this charcoal out. Just buy this charcoal, eh? Yeah, so this is how me. This is our operation. Yeah, me need to clean it out from. Me clean out it from yesterday, but some more clean out. Yeah, man, he did want some more clean out. He did want so. Yeah, so when we go do now, we go put in my charcoal and light him up. Yeah, so sometimes when me not have, like me we have charcoal, but we go show now me a light this fire this morning. So me use this. Yes, and then me once me turn it on, all me have to do is and that light. Yeah, so it light and then me use it. It kinda it quicker. I have to clean off the grill too. You know, this part of it where you put the meat pan, you have to clean it off every morning. Yeah, no matter how you clean it in the evening. Yeah, no matter how you clean it in the evening, always clean it in the morning because you know the grill in the open and you know so me always come check it, clean it. So me use two things to clean it. This one and then me use this one, deep scrub. Yeah, so that is it right there. So as you see, start to build up the smoke to what I want it. Start to get that heat in there. In a reach spot I want to reach yet because right now it's still there 100. So we go close it. Let me go close it and get some heat to build up in it. And while me I do that, me go show you the whole veteran. Yeah man, that's how it all started, you know. Yeah, when me first come in the US, me have 4 of them. Yeah, me have 4 of them. That big one. And then me have 3 more. 3 more of them. My brother in Chicago there where me give him one of them. My yard man to and him do the food, him jerk chicken, him do all kind of things. So I bring one of them go give him. You know? Because we have to look out for one another any which part we there in the world, you know. We are Jamaican, no matter what you think. So that right there. You know, and then we go put some more on, so see what I go on. Yeah man, rock and come in, because you don't know. So, really, I know. We're going to go past school done 2:45. But through the night truck. The truck down. Do all them things somewhere around like about 3:01. 3:01 is a little bit late, but sometimes when you come to her, you have this long line. Then when you have this long line now, so now we have to go. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, so see them I come. So now you have Raylan and Leon.
Hi guys! I finally got out of school.
Yeah?
Yes.
Then you have Leon around there. Leon, just push over the book so you can sit down. Yeah. And then jump in.
Daddy,
Huh?
can we go to the gas station?
To the what? Every day. Every day me pick up this girl, she want to go to the gas station to pick up, to get snacks.
Please.
What kind of snack you gonna get this time?
I don't know.
Okay, so we go.
I just want to.
Hold on first, me look see if me have. I think you may have like a problem. Because,
What's the matter?
well, I don't have my wallet in the pocket.
Where is it?
I have no idea.
Still in the house?
Maybe I think so. So now I can't go buy nothing for her because I don't know my wallet there. Yeah, so see really, so I think alright. So we go just go up at the house and we have to close the window because you know what I do hot. So guys, we have to run go home first and get either $5 or $10 to go buy something for her. Oh, and Leonie run about, eh? Yeah, so the school finished now. So me just run go pick them up and how it work, how them school work. Only 3 people can pick them up. Nobody else can pick them up. So when the school over, them keep them inside of the school and you have one person outside with a walkie-talkie and that person, you go to that person, tell them the name of your child and then them call on the walkie-talkie and say such child should come out. Yep, then I'll let you out unless that happen. Or if you go and tell them say yeah, them will walk home, that's the time they let them out. Nah, let them out. You know, because your school so it's a kindergarten / junior primary. And she in a first grade, so.
I'm almost 12.
12th grade? Yeah, 12th grade. No, no, first grade in. What kind of she was in a 12th grade so much. Yes guys, so that's how my day go. Monday to Friday. That's how we do. Yeah, maybe some of you go ask where is her mother. Yeah, for her mother at work. For her mother drive the school bus, so
To pick up kids.
yeah, so pick up kids. So she do a different school, and then when she finished that school, about 5 o'clock. So like go and look in our couch and see if it bend. Me don't go look for it myself, but she want to do it because she don't want me going there and say me can't find it. Because me doing that already, going there and say me can't find it. And then so we can't get nothing, but she want to do it herself. That means once she do it herself, then now she will know say yes, money ain't there. Kids are smart. Yes guys, so that's what we are done for today, and then after that is cleaning. Cause we have inspection tomorrow, the food truck inspection. So after this, the outer door at like 87 degrees, but I think them said the real temperature is about almost 97. So we go just cool, make it cool off a little bit, and then go do the work, some work done at the building, in the food truck. Clean. When we say clean, we go clean it down real good, so. Oh, I think she not find it, so me go have a look for it, so. Anyway, my people, you know what we do. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Say a word. Peace.